ordinal numbers in Italian? Let's find out. Hi there and welcome to my channel. I am Carlo and this is my class for beginners. In this video we are going to see ordinal numbers in Italian and how to write them. Are you ready? Let's get started. Primo. Primo. Secondo. Secondo. Terzo. Terzo. Quarto. Quarto. Quinto. Quinto. Sesto. Sesto. Settimo. Settimo. Ottavo. Ottavo. Nono. Nono. Decimo. Decimo. What happens after the number 10th? It's super easy. You simply drop the last vowel and add ESIMO. Of course, there is an exception. There are always exceptions. Numbers ending in E, you don't drop the vowel and you add ESIMO. For example, 23, 23esimo. What about mille? It doesn't change. Millesimo, quattro millesimo, even milionesimo. How to write ordinal numbers in Italian? There are two ways. This one or Roman numbers. We use Roman numbers when we talk about centuries. For instance, this is the 20th century. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. Please like it, share it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. And see you next time.